Everyone, my name is Syed Mohammad Abdullah Shah and I'm here with my partner Shayan Ahmed Niazi. Today we are excited to present to you our software management tool that is called Taiga, designed to help team work more efficiently and effectively. So basically what is Taiga? Taiga is an open source agile project management tool designed for teams using Scrum methodologies. It helps teams plan, track and manage their project efficiently. Okay, let me tell you a brief history of Taiga. Taiga was introduced in 2014. It was officially released. From 2015 to 17, it gained popularity among startup and agile teams. In 2020, it introduced advanced features like integration and improved UI, and in 2021, it was acquired by Distro to continue open source development. That's all about the brief history of Taiga, and let's deep dive into more features and advantages and disadvantages and all of it. Let me tell you key features of Taiga. There are many key features of Taiga, such as agile board, sprint planning, issue tracking wiki, custom workflow, user stories and epics, team collaboration, report and analytics, integration, multi-project support. But I will be as short as possible and tell you some important features of Taiga. First of all, there is agile board. Taiga provides scrums and Kanban boards to visualize tasks, track progress, and manage workflow efficiently. That's one of the most important features of Taiga. Another important feature of it is planning. In planning, with sprints and backlog management, teams can organize tasks, set priorities, and plan work effectively. The third point is issue tracking. Taiga has built-in issue tracking system that help teams identify and fix bugs or track features requests. One of the most exclusive feature of Taiga is Wiki. It includes a wiki feature for team to store important project information, documentation, and guidelines. Let me tell you versatile usage of Taiga. Taiga is not just for software development, it can be used in various fields due to its flexibility and agile approach. Here are some of its versatile application. As I told, software development, start up project management, design team task and tracking and issue management. What is software development? It helps team manage sprints, backlog and track bug efficiently. The second point is startup project management. Taiga helps startup plans organize and execute projects efficiently. Teams can manage their backlog, set priorities, and track progress using Agile board. The third one is design team task tracking. For design teams, Taiga allow easy tracking of task, revision, and feedback. It ensures that design projects stay on schedule and meet deadlines. The fourth and last one is issue management. With Taiga issue tracking system, teams can identify, assign, and resolve bug or problem efficiently. This helps in maintaining product quality and smooth workflow. For example, in issue management, a software development team is working on a mobile app. During testing, a bug is found where the app crashes when user upload a profile pic. So how Taiga help in issue management? First of all, it will issue the reporting, a tester log the bug in Taiga issue tracking section. Then then the project management manager will assign the issue to the developer. Then the third step will be the issue is marked as in progress while being fixed. The fourth step would be taking that once fixed, the status is changed to resolved and tested again. After successful testing, the issue is marked as closed. This organized issue tracking ensures that problems are fixed efficiently, improving product quality. Taiga and Agile model. Taiga is designed to support agile methodologies, making it ideal for teams using Scrum and Kanbans. It helps in managing tasks, tracking progress, and improving collaborations. The first point in it is methodology support. Taiga support to agile framework, Scrum and Kanbans. What is Scrum? Scrum is for sprint-based work and Kanban is for continuous workflow management. For example, a software team using Scrum creates a sprint with 2 weeks deadline, assign tasks and track progress on Taiga sprint board. And in Kanban, a marketing team using Kanban manages content creation by moving tasks across columns like to do, in progress, and completed. The second is sprint planning. Sprint planning in Taiga allow teams to organize backlog items, set sprint goal, assign tasks to team members. For example, a development team plans a 2 week sprint for adding a payment gateway. They use a Taiga to select user story, assign tasks, and set a deadline. The third point is user story and progress tracking. User story break down project tasks into small manageable steps. Taiga provides storyboards and progress tracking. Storyboard allow us to visualize tasks, and progress tracking help us with real-time update. For example, if you are developing an educational app development, the user stories should be as a student, I want a quiz feature to test my learning after each lesson. Then the team uses Tiger to assign tasks to designer, developer, and testers. Here the tool exploration will be explained by my partner Shayan Ahmed Niazi, and he will give you a demo about how to use it.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome everyone. My name is Shayan. As my groupmate Abdullah has already explained to you about the key features of Taiga, I will run you through the app itself from better understanding. So when you log into the app, this is the dashboard screen that you can see. It is really simple and user friendly and easy to use. You can see I've already done some projects here, but you need to click on new project. Here you need to select the type of the project that you need to make. You can select between Scrum and Kanban, and you can also later change in between them at any point. You can also duplicate your project or import your project from multiple platforms. For now, we'll just click on Scrum. So here we need to add the project details. We'll define the project name, for example, iOS app development. We also need to add a little description. Develop an iOS app. For now it's just fine, but if you are really making a project, you need to describe it a little more. So you can also make your project public or private. By making it public, other people can also have access to it, and by making it private, only you and your teammates that you have selected can have access to it. For now we will just click on private project, create project. This is the interface that you get when you enter the project. So we'll just quickly add a user story here. So we need to define the subject. For example, as a user, I need to see the details of my project. And you can also add tags here, but let's just let it be for now. And you need to add a little description. For example, we can say that as a user, I need to have access to my project. And track its activities. Then you need to select whom to assign this task. For now I will assign it to myself. I am the admin, and we'll just create the new user story here. It's just a simple project, so we can only see one user story here, but in a real project you can see multiple of user story. We'll just quickly add a sprint to it. We'll just write dashboard here, and we can also select the deadline of the project. By default it is selected here. It's roughly around 1 week to 2 weeks, so we'll just save it. And we have created the sprint. We can view it from here by sprint taskbar option by clicking on it. Here it brings you to the sprint dashboard, where you can also see your points. If you have completed your task, the points will appear here, and if you have closed and open task, the points will appear here. Here you need to add a user story to your sprint. We'll add one here by clicking on this option. For example, we need to create a login button. You can also add a tag here, but we'll just let it be, and we'll add a little description to it. For example, so we can add a little description here. For example, create a login button for the user. You can assign it to different members here. For now I'll just assign it to myself. You can also lock here. You can add time to it, and you can also have other options here. By clicking on create, you have successfully created a new task here. It will appear in the new log because I just created it. I can also move it in the progress bar. So now it is in the progress bar. So we can also track our activities from here. By clicking on filter, you can see the status. If we want to view the new project, we can just click on it. We can see there is no new project here. And if you want to see in progress task, as we have already made one, so it appears here. And we can also see the tasks assigned to different people. As you can see, I have assigned one task to myself, I will click on it, and it will all the tasks that have been assigned to me will appear here. By clicking on the task, you can see all the details of my task here. You can add tag here, you can see the description that I gave earlier, and here it has been assigned to me. We also have a Taiga exclusive thing here where you can add watchers to your task and decide who can watch your task and keep track of your activities. Here you can add watchers. For now, let's select my name, add, and as you can see, it's loading. One last thing One last thing that you can do here is add an issue. We'll just review this option. Here you can see no issue has already been. You can just create a new issue. For example, let's just select here some unforeseen issue. But for your project, you can add an issue that you are facing, and let's just add a description. Let's just say, please, please provide me with the needed tools. So we can also assign it to different peoples. For now, I'll just assign it to myself, and you can also attach here your different files that you're facing issue in and just create the issue.
We will go to pros of Taiga. Taiga has an intuitive interface. Taiga has a simple user-friendly design, making it easy for teams to manage tasks without extensive training. For example, a startup team working on their first project quickly adapt to Taiga Kanban board where they can drag and drop tasks to track progress smoothly. The second advantage of Taiga is open source. Being an open source, Taiga is free to use and modify, allowing business to tailor it to their needs. For example, a small software company wants a custom report generator. Since Taiga is open source, their developer modify the code and add this feature without extra cost. This is an exclusive feature of Taiga. Another advantage of Taiga is customizable. It is customizable. Team can modify workflow, task categories, and board based on their specific project need. For example, a marketing agency customized Taiga workflow by adding stages like draft, client review, and final approval to better management content creation. Taiga is a mobile has the advantage that it is a mobile app, meaning it offers a mobile friendly version allowing user to manage project on the go. For example, a project manager traveling for work uses Taiga mobile app to review tasks, upgrade progress, and communicate with the team without needing a laptop. This is one of the best features of Taiga. Another advantage is that Taiga provide a powerful API that allow developer to integrate it with other tools like GitHub, Slack, and Jira. For example, a software development team integrates Taiga with GitHub, so whenever a developer pushes new code, the related task in Taiga is automatically updated. The third and last one is that active support and community. Taiga has strong community support and regular updates to improve user experience. For example, a freelance designer encountered a bug in Taiga. He posted in the community forum and within hours he received a solution from Taiga support team. That's one of the best features right now in the market. Now let me tell you cons of Taiga with explanation and example. It has limited reporting. For example, Taiga built-in reporting features are basic compared to other project management tools. For example, a large enterprise team need detailed financial and resources report, but Taiga only provides simple task completion stats requiring them to use external tool. The second one is fewer integration. While Taiga supports some integration, it has fewer options compared to Jira or Trello. For example, a company using Salesforce want to sync their task with Taiga, but since there are no direct integration, they have to rely on third-party tools. The third con of Taiga is learning curve. Taiga can be challenges for new user unfamiliar with agile methodologies. For example, a non-technical team new to agile struggles to understand sprint planning and user stories, requiring extra time to learn Taiga workflow. Now, let me get to conclusion why we should choose Taiga. Taiga is a powerful and flexible agile project management tool, especially for team looking for an open source, customizable, and user-friendly solution. Key reason to choose Taiga: it is agile-focused, user-friendly interface. It has customization, open source and free. It has strong collaboration tools and multilingual and remote friendly. My final thoughts: whether you are a software team, content creator, startup, or freelancer, Taiga help you stay organized, track progress, and manage project efficiently. That's all by my side. I would also like to thank my partner